Welcome back to Daytime Live. Whoop, whoop. I'm excited. We're joined by Candice Williams, the social media officer for JCDC, who is here to talk to us about Reggae Month, which kicks off tomorrow, February 1st. Welcome, Candice.
Hi, thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. First of all, tell her the T-shirt.
Yeah, T-shirt is shirting.
It's shirting. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
1, 2, 3.
Absolutely.
Nice.
So Candice, let me ask the obvious question. Why is Reggae Month so significant for Jamaica?
So first of all, reggae is Jamaica's heartbeat. It is who we are as a people. You think Jamaica, you think reggae. So why not celebrate something as important and as significant to us for an entire month?
Agreed.
I agree. I like her. You see, she's like me.
Yeah.
Energy vibes. Yes. Okay, so we have been hearing about Reggae Month a while. Enough things are going on. But what are the must-attend events this year?
All right, so we do have some core events that you cannot afford to miss.
Yes, girl.
We kickstart things tomorrow with the Dennis Brown Floral Tribute. It's going to be an awesome event at Heroes Circle. We have the Reggae Month church service on Sunday at Fellowship Tabernacle. But on February 6th is the big one, Bob Marley 80th Uprising. Yep. Celebrating Bob Marley's birthday.
February 6th?
Yeah,
Right, and that's going to be where?
At Emancipation Park. And guess what? It is absolutely free.
We love a free.
Love
a free.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And then we continue with the Young Reggae Ambassadors concert on February 8th. Right there in Emancipation Park as well, where we showcase some of reggae's young upcoming artists. And then on February 25, we have what is called Tuesday Service. This is really a musician's jam where Jamaica's top touring musicians come together, and it's their first anniversary. So we're taking it to Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center, and we're celebrating with them. A lot of artists going to pass through. You can't afford to miss it. And of course, it is free. Okay. And we close out Reggae Month with the big one on February 28th.
That's about 5 big ones of them.
No, but this, you have to close bigger, and biggest.
Okay.
So we close out the month with what is called the Reggae Gold Awards.
Nice.
And this one is where we salute the pioneers, the icons of the reggae industry.
Sure.
And my favorite part is that this year we are showcasing Marcia Griffith.
Nice.
But wait, there is more.
Real queen.
Because it is Marcia Griffiths with the Reggae Symphony Orchestra.
Nice.
And my absolute favorite part, Nisha,
What's
guess
your
what?
favorite part?
It is
Free.
I like her.
So, there's so many things happening for Ray and Nephew Reggae Month. Of course, Ray and Nephew is powered by the Chase Fund, and our title sponsor is Ray and Nephew. So we can't leave them, but we have to say thank you so much to our sponsors.
Yes.
And of course, you find that Jamaicans always think that everything is happening in Kingston.
I was just about to
That's
say,
what we want.
ask a question. She just go on to like a proper PR. She are good.
She has such a style.
How is Reggae Month expanding beyond Kingston? Go on.
So we have Reggae Month activities happening all over Jamaica. Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, Manchester. Things happening down there in St. Elizabeth and Negril. Negril has an entire slate of activities happening for February.
Okay.
There is the Waves One Love Music and Jerk Festival happening February 7 to 9. There is Third World performing for Love at Woodstock on Valentine's Day.
Well, Woodstock,
That's nice.
where's Woodstock?
In Negril,
Negril,
on the beach road, Norman Manley Boulevard. You can't miss it. Yep, and Roots Bamboo also has a host of events featuring like Sizzler, Luciano, a lot of things happening in Negril. And we also have Reggae Month activities happening in Florida, in South Africa, all over the world. So the whole world will come catch the rhythm with Jamaica.
Which is right. Which is right. So, tell us a little bit more in depth in what ways sponsors like Jerry and Neville and the Chase Fund are helping with amplifying Jamaica's culture and reggae music as a whole.
Absolutely. So the Chase Fund has always been supporting the culture, arts, and and entertainment. And so we have to say thank you because they really do fund a lot of the events that we do at the JCDC and of course for Reggae Month. Now, when you think of Jamaican music, reggae, dance hall, you know, just the Jamaican culture, you think about white overproof rum. And you think about Ray and Nephew rum. So it was like a perfect synergy, a perfect marriage. And Ray and Nephew is really helping to amplify Jamaica's music and culture. And it's just one bag of excitement. And we're just so happy and excited to be celebrating in partnership with Ray and Nephew and the show.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Listen, whatever me I do, you know, I want Candice to be my social media person.
No, she bad.
Whatever me I do, you know.
Call me.
Listen, see what me I say? Okay, so how can persons stay, because you're saying things are happening South Africa, Florida, Ochi, Mwanawagwana, Ochi. How can persons stay updated? Because we're all in different port, more, wa keep, Guan.
All right, so guess what? You can download the Reggae Jamaica app. It is free. It's available on Google Play Store and the Apple Store. You can also follow the JCDC on social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube at JCDC Jamaica. We're keeping you up to date.
All right.
You can't miss nothing. We also have a WhatsApp channel, JCDC, Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC. Follow us. We're everywhere. We're keeping you informed.
Can I just say, notice that she doesn't have a book in front of her or something to read from?
Candice,
This is just...
all right, so you have about 40 seconds left. So tell us quickly, why should everybody come out to celebrate? And, well, you already said how we can find you on social media. Why should we come
30 seconds.
All right, so
Shops.
we all need to come out and celebrate Reggae Month because it is your music. Reggae is your music. Dancehall is your music. Did I mention we have Dancehall Week coming up at the end of February,
Which is
into
right.
March? Yeah, we have a street parade coming up. It is who we are as a people. So you get 1 month to amplify to the world that Jamaica we lick about with Talawa.
Straight.
And we are just encouraging all of Jamaica, Jamaicans at yard and abroad, and the entire world to come catch the rhythm.
Yeah, she fired me up. We're ready. Yeah, Candice.
Guys, this is no one can put little respect on the name, the Candice Williams.
Yeah.
And she's the JCDC social media person. Give her
Ambassador.
a big round of applause. Candice is fabulous. No, I'm embarrassed to say, but guess what? We're not done. The daytime, we'll be right back. And we have a music video from the legend, the icon, Jimmy Cliff with soon come.